Well, I figured out what I wanted to do today. I'm sorry for the diesel running in the background. But, I got this switch here, which is a three-way switch, basically. Center is off, top and bottom are on. So what I'm going to do with this switch is one side of it is going to be the Transbrake. The other side is going to be my line lock. I'm going to use the line lock for burnouts and whatnot. So what I have to do is I got to wire a hot straight to the button on the shifter. Let's go in here and take a look at the shifter. Okay. So, got the button on the shifter, and you got the two wires. So I'll have a hot on one, and then essentially a switch leg coming off the other one back up to the dash, and I'm gonna pull the dash, and I'm gonna put the switch in here like this. And then I got indicator lights I'm gonna put next to it. So what'll happen is when the switch is in the up position, like that, it'd be wired to the brake lock solenoid, and I'll be able to do my burnouts with that. Go ahead and lock the front brakes, do my burnout, let off the button, roll out of the burnout. Then when I flip it down, now I get up on the line, put the truck in first gear, hold the button down. Well, now I have my Transbrake. Then I don't have to worry about a bunch of different buttons and remembering what those buttons are. I just got to remember that down is go and up is stop. And I'm going to have the indicator lights where I have a red one for the line lock, and I have a green one for the Transbrake. So that's what I'm going to do this afternoon while I'm waiting to get some stuff done. Waiting for a phone call, basically what I'm doing. And I'm going to get into this and get this button wired. Alright, we'll be back. And I'll show you the wiring as I go through. But we'll be back.